Next comes Keratophakia. So what happens here is like, we might have heard about this transplantation, eye donation and all that. So you must be knowing what exactly is being donated to a person from a donor. So it is only the cornea that is being donated to a different person. So eye donation basically implies keratophakia. Here the physician is going to place a corneal lens. What is aphakia? Phako means lens. If the patient does not have a natural lens, it's called aphakic eye. When a patient whose natural lens has been replaced with an artificial one, it becomes pseudophakic. Coming to epikeratoplasty, here it again involves a more anterior most part of the cornea, and here they place a device called as a corneal disc. So corneal disc is being taken from a donor and placed on the cornea, and that qualifies as a epikeratoplasty. Whereas in a keratophakia, the corneal lens is being placed from a donor.